สวัสดีครับ My name is Rich. I'm head chef from Thai Basil.
Hi, my name is Esther and I'm the manager of Thai Basil.
Thai Basil is excited to present their Richmond Hill location at Bayview and Major Mackenzie Drive. Thai Basil has been certified with the Thai Select Classic Award since 2014. Overseen by a seasoned team of Thai chefs, the menu displays a full variety of classic dishes and original street food from Thailand. Recommended dishes include authentic Bangkok Pad Thai, green papaya salad, and street-style basil chicken. Each item is made fresh upon order and uses ingredients such as special herbs and sauces imported from Thailand. Also check out the barbecue pork, satay, and drinks which are created to pair with the food. The atmosphere includes gold-plated cutlery, handcrafted sculptures, and fountains imported from Thailand to provide an authentic and cozy experience. For more information about Thai Select, please visit thaiselect.ca.
Please come and join us for the authentic Thai experience.
Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ
Thank you.